All right, guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to show you the power of 20 pips. What are the possibilities? And also I'm going to show you the latest results of my exclusive strategies and how you could have made $3,000 with only $200. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome. I'm very excited. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your beautiful messages. And as always, usually I like to start my videos showing you some of my accounts. Okay, so as you can see, this is one of my accounts. Look at the win rate. Okay, it's been pretty awesome lately. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, this is my channel, FCK the Banks. My name is Aldrich and I have been trading for 15 years. Now, this video is kind of like a sequel of this one right here, 5 to 10 pip strategy. You guys liked it a lot, okay? And some of you asked me to do another video. So now this video is dedicated for 20 pip trading, which is absolutely one of the best ways for me, okay, to trade. And I have found a lot of consistency trading 20 pips. Now, obviously, we are all different, okay, guys? And usually for 20 pips, Nasdaq and gold are amazing. Also Forex, but usually Forex moves a little bit slower, okay? So you can take 5 to 10 pips, okay? So that video is awesome. Now this video is gonna be absolutely incredible. So now let me show you the possibilities, okay, guys? Now, I just want you to remember something, okay? This is just motivation purposes, okay? I want you to see what is possible and you don't need to be stressing about like catching huge moves in the market. Okay, you can absolutely make a living by only taking 20 pips every single day. Okay, guys? Also, one thing, guys, just remember that this market is the biggest market in the world. Okay, it's like trillions of dollars moving every single day, billions and billions and billions of dollars moving every single day. Okay, so just remember that $100,000 account may be a lot of money for some of you, but just remember there's people that have $1 million accounts, private investors that they have $10 million accounts, $100 million accounts. Then you have hedge funds, they're trading with 100 millions, 200 millions, 500 millions. Okay, guys, so everything is possible. Okay, so just take a look at this. Look at this account. Okay, so look at the amount of profits made by trading 20 pips. Okay, so these are about 27 pips, 30 pips. Now look at the account, okay? This is a pretty big account, okay? Or also you can take a look in my account. This was one of the last trades that I took that I showed you in the previous video, okay? 21 pips, $6,000 profit, okay, guys? Now let's talk about the benefits, okay, guys? So there are many benefits of trading 20 pips per trade, okay? So one of them, obviously, you're gonna finish quicker, okay? So also, I don't recommend you sticking for more than 2 hours in the charts. Why? Because you're gonna lose focus, okay? But trading 20 pips, you're gonna have more focus. Why? Because you're gonna have the setup in your mind. You're gonna know exactly what you're looking for, okay? So this way, you're gonna be more focused and you're gonna finish quicker and you're gonna be able to do whatever you want. Also, you're gonna have much less stress, guys, okay? Because I've seen many of you that you are focused in trying to take 100 pip trades, like 1 to 10 risk reward ratio trades. And I'm not saying that is wrong or that is invalid, but you're going to be more stressed. Why? Because simply because the market is not going to move every single day like that. Okay, you're not going to have ideal market conditions. You're not going to have good volume. Okay, so you're not going to be able to catch that amount of pips. Now, what happens when you force yourself to take that amount of pips every single time? Whenever you don't catch it, you're gonna put that extra unnecessary pressure, okay, guys? So you're gonna start taking unnecessary trades and you're gonna start to do some unnecessary mistakes, okay? And also by taking only 20 pips every single day, you can use one strategy and you can compound your account, okay? Talking about strategies, guys, in a little bit, we're gonna review the results of my exclusive strategies and how they performed in the recent months. Okay, guys? You can find that information in the link below. Another thing that is very important by taking 20 pips, you're gonna increase your win rate, like no matter what, guys. Why? Because 20 pips is much easier to catch than, as I said before, 100 pip trades, like 50 pip trades. And now, I'm not saying that's difficult to do or anything. Okay, guys, so I just want you to see in the charts, this is gold 5-minute chart, okay? this little rectangle right here represents 20 pips. You see how many times you could have taken 20 pips just in this little chart, okay? This is just a little example of how many times you could have taken 20 pips. Okay, so I just made the little rectangle, okay? As you can see, it measures 20 pips, okay? So just look at it. Look at it, how many times in this swing you could have taken 20 pips. In this one, 20 pips. In this one, 20 pips. Here, another 20 pips. Now, obviously, guys, I'm not saying that you're gonna be like taking so many trades in one single day. Like, absolutely not, okay? That's very, very important. And I have to be very clear on that, okay, guys? Like, what I'm trying to say is that, like, it's easier to take this amount of pips than trying to catch like a huge swing trade. Now, for this, you need a very good strategy, okay? Now, we're gonna talk about my exclusive strategies. Just hold on tight because I'm gonna show you how you could have made a lot of money with my strategies and the results, okay, guys? So, and let's do a little quick trade review, which actually I took. Obviously, in order for this to succeed, you do need to have the right mindset, guys. As I told you before, you have to be very, very focused. But most importantly, yes, you do need an effective strategy, okay? Because in order to take these 20 pip trades or 5 to 10 pip trades, you do need to have a precise strategy that's going to give you your entry, your exit point, and your stop loss. And yes, guys, I have to be very, very clear on this. I always use stop loss, okay? I always use stop always, okay? I don't recommend you trading without a stop loss unless you want to blow your account. I recommend you just give your money to charity, okay? Okay, so this is very, very basic support and resistance levels. As you can see, you have this new momentum of this new push, okay? And as you can see, you have this support level. Now, in my previous videos, guys, you can check and I talk and explain very, very detailed about support and resistance levels, okay, guys? So now you have a very clear and simple break retest level. You prepare for your take profit. As you can see, this little box represents the 20 pip profit, okay? So now let's see how it goes. And at this point, you can start managing your stop loss, okay? Because you never want to turn a winning trade, a profitable trade, into a losing trade, okay, guys? So whenever you're already in profits, you want to manage your risk and trail your stop loss, okay? So as you can see, it successfully gave you 20 pips. Now, obviously, many times you're gonna have way more than that, okay? Like, usually all of my systems that I have developed, they give you way more than that. Now, it's just a personal preference, guys, okay? Like, this goes along with my personality. Now, obviously, if you're a beginner trader, like, I do recommend you, if you're a struggling trader or a beginner trader and you still don't have consistency, I do recommend you taking this amount of pips. Why? Because it's going to give you that confidence, okay? It's going to give you that boost and you're going to have that small victories every single day, okay? So, and as I told you, you can compound your account. You can make a living out of trading just 20 pips, okay? Like, believe me, like hedge funds and like these huge investors, like you saw, like they're taking even less amount of pips, okay, guys? Like, these algorithmic trading systems, like they're taking even smaller chunks and making millions of dollars every single day. So there is no reason that you can take 5 to 10 pips or 20 pips every single day, okay, guys? Okay, so here we have another example. This is the day after, okay? This was actually this week, okay, from October. And now what happened, okay? You see this move right here? This was a pretty important and strong bearish momentum, okay? So as you can see, you had this previous high, okay? And as you can see, some liquidity was taken, okay? And now it made a new low. And as you can see, guys, right here, you see that price is having a very, very hard time to breaking out. Now, ideally, I would like to see price breaking and making some sort of like a support and continuation to this high, okay? Because you have this clean range, but as you can see, you're having a lot of resistance created. So now you want to wait for your entry. Remember, this little rectangle represents your 20 pips, okay? So we have another candle, but as you can see, it's still closing below. It's closing below, guys. And ideally, it's not a good opportunity for taking longs. And also notice this little wick right here, which means that it's rejecting, okay? Now, this is a perfect example of how you can take a selling trade, okay, short position. Imagine you are in your office or in your home starting your day, or if you have a job, whenever you have time, okay, and now you see your setup, your strategy is telling you, okay, now we have a signal and now we're going to take your trade, okay? Okay, and now you prepare your trade. As you can see, this is the rectangle matching the 20 pips that you need to make some money for the day. Okay, guys, let me adjust so you can see this is 20 pips. And now let's see how it goes. Okay, obviously you had the support being formed and it reached successfully to the lower part of this range. So there you go, you have your 20 pips. Now you're free. Now you can do whatever you want. You can go and continue with your job. Okay, now you can go to the gym or whatever you want to do. Okay guys, so now let's go to a very exciting part of this video, which are the results of my exclusive strategies. And now I'm gonna show you, this is one of my favorite strategies, which is the dual NY5. Dual NY5 is perfect for scalpers, okay? Day traders. If you like to be trading, you can apply this strategy in any market. You can apply it in London, you can apply it in New York session, you can trade it in Forex, and you can trade it in indices, okay? I traded in the Nasdaq, and once again, I was just going for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and as you can see, it was giving you more than that. So in average, it was going around 60 pips, okay? But as I said before, this is just my personal preferences, guys. I was taking 20 pips. We had a huge, this win rate is absolutely amazing, 90% win rate. This account started, as you can see, this is for the whole month of October, and the final account balance was almost $4,000, and the average duration is also around 5 minutes, okay? So this is absolutely perfect. Usually you're gonna have around one trade a day, sometimes two, okay, depending on the market conditions. All of my strategies are included in my private mentorship group, okay? So as you can see, these are the trades, okay? For that account, it was around $200, okay? So these are the trade, guys, okay? As you can see, there you go. That's the history of the account, okay? I was compounding, by the way, and yes, I was risking more than normal because since they are like small accounts, obviously you can risk more, okay? That's up to you. I'm not recommending anybody to risk more than you should, okay? So if you are trading a funded account, a big account, let's say a 100K account, never risk more than, let's say, 1.5%, okay? Keep it between 0.5 and 1.5%, okay? I also wanted to show you, this was $500 account for the month of September using dual NY5 system, which is my system. All of these strategies, they are developed by me, okay? They are mine, they're developed by me, and they are very simple to use, very easy to follow, and they're included in the private coaching program, okay guys? Just check the link below. Now, as you can see, this account started with around $500 and the account ending balance was $5,400, okay? Win rate is absolutely crazy. Win rate is amazing. Just stick to the rules and you're gonna do fine, okay? And as you can see, same thing, risk reward ratio. I was just taking a 1-to-1, which was around 20 pips, 20 to 25 pips, okay? And the stop loss is the same. But very interestingly, guys, you can see that the ideal average risk reward ratio was 5.8. So that means that every trade was running for around 100 pips, okay? And the average duration of every trade was 4 minutes, okay? So absolutely perfect. You end your day, you have the whole day for yourself, whatever you want to do. So this is the website, guys. If you want to enter into my private coaching program and access all of my strategies, you can find it here, okay? This is the website. These are the strategies that I was talking about. This is the ATM, okay? The ATM strategy and the dual NY5, okay? You're gonna find them there. Also a compounding sheet. There are some others, but these are just one of my favorite ones, okay, guys? So, and I do have private coaching program, guys, okay? So it's gonna give you access to the online database of my private collection of my favorite strategies. It includes all of these 70 videos, the compound sheet ladder, all of the trading systems, All of my systems are backed up by years and years of data, okay? All of them work, they're perfectly fine. All of them are between an 80 and 95% win rate, okay? You're gonna have the course in case you wanna learn and sharpen your skills, okay? This is the last Forex trading education that you will ever need. Also, you have personal guidance, you have free Zoom calls, and you have direct contact with me, okay? You're gonna be directly communicated with me, okay, guys? Like, I'm gonna be there. I'm not like other mentors that they just disappear. I'm not like that. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna answer your questions, and I'm gonna make sure that you become a profitable trader. Okay, guys, so as you know, I don't usually trade the last day of the month, but this is the ATM. This is just a continuation from the previous video. This was basically all the month of October, and as you can see, it had an incredible win rate of 81% win rate. And this account started with $250 and ended in $2,222. Okay, so these are the results for October, and as you can see, I was grabbing 20 pips. So this, for example, guys, this strategy is ideal. This is perfect for everybody that has a job or it's not maybe a full-time trader and you have a lot of things to do, because this requires you, look at this requires you 2 minutes of your time. This is the average duration of every trade. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Like the win rate, like more than 80% win rate, okay? And it just requires you, every trading average takes around 2 minutes, okay? So this is perfect for everybody that is very, very busy and has a lot of things to do. Now, as you can see, this was total winners 22. The ideal risk reward ratio, as I said, it's gonna give you more than that. Like I was just grabbing in average around 20 to 22 pips. So this is the ATM strategy, okay, guys? Here are some of the trades, as you can see. So these are the trades. This is the history, as you can see, the account balance, okay, the realized profit, $2,022, okay? This is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and see you on the next one.